Hi everybody. Today we're going to start working on Unit 10 in our math book, and we're going to be on page 544. So Unit 10 is talking about adding bigger numbers, adding numbers with the tens. So on page 544 it starts by letting us know that if we can add by ones, we can add with tens. So over here it says you know how to add ones. 2, and I'm going to use my little blocks that I made last week or a couple weeks ago. So I have 2 ones plus 3 ones. And so 2 plus 3, if I put them together, equals 5. We can do the exact same thing, but with 10 sticks instead. So I have 2 tens plus 3 tens. And again, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So now we know we have 5 10 sticks, but what does that really mean? Well, the 2 tens is 10, 20, and the 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. So we're actually adding 20 dots on my sticks plus 30 dots. And how many are we going to have? Well, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 5 tens, which equals 50. So if we slide down now to number 1, it tells us we have 3 tens. So we have 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have a total of 7 10 sticks. What does that mean? Okay, well this is 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens is really 30. 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens is really 40. So we're really adding 30 plus 40, which gives us 7 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 30 plus 40 is 70. Sliding over to number 2, we have 1 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So if I have 1 plus 5, I have a total of 6 tens. And now what does that really mean? 1 10 is 10. 5 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if we put them together, we have 6 tens, which is 60. All right. So now it is time for you to pause the video. Go ahead and work on page 545 on your own. When you're done, push play again on the video and we can check your answers. All right, so hopefully you have done page 545 now. And let's look at your answers. Okay, notice we have to put the 0 in the ones column so that it's not just 2, but it's 20. Okay, 20 plus 20 is 40. 50 plus 30 equals 80 total. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 40 plus 40 equals 80. 20 plus 50 equals 70. And down at the bottom, 30 plus 30 equals 60. 10 plus 40 equals 50. And 50 plus 40 equals 90. If we look on page 546 now, we have a few word problems. It says Alex and Annie each have 5 boxes of crayons. Each box has 10 crayons. How many crayons do Alex and Annie have in all? Well, if they each have 5 tens, they're going to have 50 in each box. So 50 plus 50 equals 100. They have 100 crayons. Now, if you need to, you could draw your pictures. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's Alex's box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's Annie's box, and each one has 10, so that's why I drew 10 sticks. And if you put them together, we have 10 sticks, which is 100. Okay, number 13, Becky and Dan buy some bottles of juice. Becky buys 6 bottles, Dan buys 2 bottles. Each bottle of juice is enough for 10 people. So again, we have tens again. So Becky has 6 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Dan has 2 bottles. 1, 2. So we have 6 tens, 60, plus 2 tens, 20, equals 80. So they have enough for 80 people to drink. All right. Then it says Bree says that she knows 4 plus 3 equals 7. So she also knows that 30 plus 40 equals 70. Is she correct? Okay, and I say yes, she is correct. Explain how I know. Because 3 tens, which is what 30 is, plus 4 tens, which is what 40 is, would equal 7 tens. So 30 plus 40 is 70. And if you notice, they just kind of switch the two numbers around. So we know that that is correct. Number 15 is a little bit tricky here. They want to see if you understand that this is 2 tens plus 3 tens. So you've got to be adding the tens and not ones. See how they just put ones in each one of those? D is the only one that has tens. All right, it is time for you to do your homework, pages 547 and 548, and then ask an adult to check it for you, or take a picture and send it to your teacher and she'll check it for you. Have a great day.